What's up guys, here we have the camera test of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. First of all, let's talk about the specification. It has a 50 megapixel ultra aperture camera with f1.4 to f4.0 aperture and optical image stabilization, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture, and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with f3.5 aperture and optical image stabilization. So this was the specification of this phone. I don't want to say anything about this phone. I just want to know your thoughts in the comment section. First of all, watch this video till the end. After watching the complete video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You guys are the judge here. You have to decide, is this phone worth it or not. So without wasting any more time, let's watch the video.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong.